Hi, let's walk through the process of creating your account on the IntelliTank app. However, if you already have an account, simply put in the email that you use to create that account, your password, and hit login. Let's go ahead and create an account. Here you want to enter the email that you want to use for the account. Make sure that it is one that is easily accessible and something you check regularly, as you can have an option to send email alerts to your email. Pick a password that you can easily remember. Only has to be 6 characters long. We do not recommend using special characters, however, in this app. Go ahead and put your first name, last name, and your phone number, and then hit create account. So now you have to, at this point, go to your email and verify your account at this time as well. This will simply a security precaution. Once you've done that, go ahead and come back here and re-enter the credentials. And our password on this is demo12. Now you can also use this demo account for just taking a look at the app and playing around with it. So anybody can log into this. It's an open account just to check out the account. So re-enter the email and the password and hit log in. Now is the time to set up the gateways and the remote, or the home unit and the remotes. Click anywhere to clear this screen and hit the plus in the upper right hand corner. You can use these scroll bars to put in your home unit or the gateway unit. This is the one with the LED lights and the antenna off the side. You can locate this on the bottom of that home unit, or it is also printed on the side of the box. In our case here, our demo unit is simply gateway number 20. Go ahead and select that and hit add gateway. Now here you want to go ahead and put in your home address. In this case, we will use the IntelliTank or WellSense Technologies address. Now as you start to type it, you might see your address pop up. Just go ahead and click on it. It will auto-populate. Here is also where you might want to put in the Wi-Fi SSID or connection name and the password. So if you're going to connect your home unit by the Ethernet cable to the router, this is where you can put your information in and it will download to the unit. So we'll just select Wi-Fi and password. And then you can select a service provider if you have a service provider or pump company that you use, and they're registered on the IntelliTank website, and you can find them here. In this case, we'll just put ourselves, WellSense Technologies. Once you've done all that, just hit Update Gateway. It'll take you back to the gateway screen. Select, and if you have multiple gateways, they would all show up here. Select the gateway number. It will tell you don't have any remotes yet. Go ahead and click anywhere again to clear that message and hit the plus in the upper right hand corner. Here's again, use the scroll buttons to select your gateway number. The gateway number is located underneath the remote sensor location unit. Simply screw the lid off and it's on the inside of the lid, or again, it is also printed on the outside of the box that your IntelliTank system came in. In our case, our remote number is 29. So select your remote ID number and hit add remote. It will tell you don't have any notifications, so let's go ahead and select a couple of notifications. Simply hit the add button. Now here you can select what you want to be notified, under what condition changes you want to be notified. So you've got water level, you have temperature, and battery. So let's stick with water level today, and I want to know when it falls to, let's say, medium. Now the notifications will be when it sends a banner notification to your phone, just like any other app on your phone. Again, you can also select email. This will send it to the email that you use to register the account. And you can also select service provider. If you have an agreement with your service provider that they're going to help monitor your system, you can select service provider and it will send them an email as well. And let's go ahead and add another one. I want to know when my temperature falls to about 32 degrees, or let's say 41 degrees. That's close enough to freezing. And I'm just going to simply have a notification for that. Add one more, and again, you can add as many of these as you want. I want to know when my water level rises back up to high, so that can ensure the water is going back into my tank. Once you've done all this, you've selected all you want, go ahead and hit done. That will take you to the remote screen. Go ahead and click your remote. Obviously, you haven't had any readings yet, so now is the time to go ahead and set up your gateway. If you're a new user to the IntelliTank system, now is the time to plug in your gateway into your Wi-Fi, either selecting the WPS button on your Wi-Fi and plugging in your home unit, or plugging your home unit in with the blue Ethernet cable to your router and then plug it into power. That will connect your unit to the internet, and then simply plug in the batteries to your remote unit and you should be good to go. Your home unit will display a red light and a yellow light when connected to the internet, and then the water level on the LEDs with your remote unit. If you have any questions at all, we're always here to help. You can contact us at 951-365-8409. We hope you enjoy your IntelliTank system, and again, we're always here to support you. Take care.